Welcome to the Alan Berry Reports TV show. I'm Alan Berry Laboucan. I'm the editor of the Alan Berry Reports and the host of this show. Thank you very much for joining us today. Today we're going to be doing our second or third installment, if you will, of the Resource Stocks Talks segment. And today we're going to talk about Premier Gold Mines. Before going on, I wanted to go through the key disclosure. We're shareholders of the company. They're also one of the, they've taken out one of the banner spots on our website, and they've been in several of our past reports. Why we're so excited and been covering Premier for such a long period of time, it's been probably about 3.5 years now since the company really started, and how they came to us was through a company called Wolfden. Wolfden was a company we had started following quite early. They were ultimately taken over by a much larger company, and before that takeover happened, they spun out to the shareholders the gold projects and created Premier Gold Mines. And the sort of model of what Premier Gold Mines follows is they look for their gold projects in areas where there has been past gold mining. This is a very good place to be looking for new deposits, is in areas where you know there's already deposits, and that's sort of their model. Now they've got 3 key areas in Ontario that they're very focused on. One of them is up near Geraldton, Ontario, and in that area there has, over the last 50 to 80 years, there's been quite a bit of small-scale mining, and when Premier was getting excited about going into that area, they went and were able to acquire all the ground, or most of the ground, where these past mining operations took place. They went in and started drilling. They drilled some of their deep targets and their close to surface targets, and came back with very encouraging results. In fact, they recently just had news out on the Geraldton project, and it's consistently, like it has in the past, has been hitting some very high grades over very good intersections. This is a very compelling project, one of their key projects, and they're going to be working aggressively on it, and they should have a lot more news to talk about in the future. So you can find their news release on their website, and later on we'll tell you how to find that. Now, another area that they're involved with is the Musselwhite area, and the Goldcorp has a mine in that area called the Musselwhite Mine, and Premier has some ground that's just on strike of that deposit, and they've been doing some drilling and hitting some very promising drill results, and being in a good area like that and having a company like Goldcorp in the area, you know, it's a very good place to be looking for a new mine, and they're getting encouraging results. That's another project that they have in Ontario that we're following, and we expect to see a lot of news out of in the future. Now, the original reason that we had the original reason that we started getting excited about Wolfden actually was because of their gold projects that ended up being put into Premier Gold, and as I mentioned, the shareholders got shares in Premier Gold when they spun those projects off from Wolfden. And I'm a big fan of Red Lake, Ontario. Red Lake, Ontario is one of the best gold mining camps in the world to be looking for high-grade deposits. And really, Goldcorp itself was, not that many years ago, was a junior exploration company that made a significant discovery. It was such a compelling discovery that they were able to bring it into production themselves, and now Goldcorp has used that to be one of the lowest cost producers in the industry. and a very profitable company and a very large major mining company. And so, you know, that's why Red Lake is such a good place to be looking for gold mines. Now, in the Red Lake, Ontario, or in the Red Lake camp, Premier Gold has some very well located strategic ground in that area. What I mean by that is some of the one of the Goldcorp's current mines is on one side of their project, and on the other side of their project is a project that was found by one of our featured companies that was another takeover of one of our company called Gold Eagle Mines, and actually we even started following Gold Eagle before it became Gold Eagle. At that time there was two partners. One of them was Exol, the company that we had followed, and those two merged and created Gold Eagle Mines. And Gold Eagle found the Bruce Channel discovery. And ultimately, Goldcorp thought enough of that project that they took over Gold Eagle Mines at a premium, and now it's one of their future, likely one of their future producing deposits. Now, when I get back to the strategic location, Premier Gold has the ground that's right in between the Red Lake mine and the Bruce Channel discovery, and Goldcorp is digging, if you will, a big tunnel that connects the Red Lake and the Bruce Channel, these two mines, and with an underground tram. And what's really exciting about that is that goes right through the Premier Gold's project. And when you have these underground workings like that, instead of drilling a 400-meter hole, now they can go down and they can use the tunnel, if you will, to put drill stations in and drill off of there. So it gives them much easier access to some of the best rock, if you will, in the country. And we're really excited about this easier access. And so, in fact, they recently had some excellent drill results. Again, you can find that on their website. So, in a nutshell, you know, Premier Gold Mines has several high-quality projects. They've been doing a lot of drilling. They're finding a lot of high-grade gold in their projects. They're in areas where there's been lots of past mining. In fact, in Red Lake their partner is Goldcorp, so that's a great partner. So they have a really good combination. We're really excited about the company, and if you, I think if you do your homework, you'll understand why, and again, you can find that on their website. We're going to put the website below, so you can. We'll put a link to the website so you can easily go do your own homework. And I think when you do, you'll understand why we feel so strongly about this company. That's a wrap on today's this commentary. Before closing, we'd like to stress that this show and our reports are for information purposes only. We aren't making buying or selling recommendations. It's important for you to do your own research and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. We're always trying to grow our audience, and if you'd like to help us, we're going to have some buttons there below where you can send out a Twitter message or a Facebook message or by email and tell people how to find our show. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch the show, as we're well aware that everybody is busy these days, and we strive to produce a show that saves you time and gives you helpful, high-quality information. As always, we hope you can join us for future shows or visit us on our website at allenberryreports.com or watch our past shows on youtube.com/allenberryreports. Have a great day.